tell me something about yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. I am Junya Nagayos, 34 years old, married, and I have 4 children. And their ages are 9, 8, 6, and 4 years old. We are 6 siblings in our family. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the first child in our family. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Commerce, majoring in management. With regards to my working experience, I worked here in the Philippines for 2 years to Mrs. Jacqueline Llanos. I served 4 persons, consisting of 2 adults and 2 children.
Okay.
My duties are to cook their foods, wash their clothes, iron their clothes, and to prepare their needs. I also clean the house, sir.
Okay. So, when did you work to Jacqueline Llanos? From what year?
From 2008 to 2010.
Okay. And you said you took good care of 2 children. What are their ages?
4 years old and 2 years old, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money for the education of my children, sir.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I don't know, but I'm willing to learn and to be trained, sir.
So, aside from your daily household works, do you have any other special skills with you?
I also do gardening, car washing, hand sewing, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Hardworking, patient, friendly, and understanding, sir.
Okay. To sum it up, your control number 795, your name is Junya Nagayos, 34 years old, and you're married with 4 children. You're a college graduate with a course of Bachelor of Science in Commerce. And with regards to working experience, you work here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 2 years, from 2008 to 2010, to Mrs. Jacqueline Llanos, and you've served 4 persons consisting of 2 adults and 2 children. Their ages are 4 years old and 2 years old. And your duties are to wash their clothes, to cook foods for them, to take good care of the children, to clean the house, and to iron their clothes. You said you don't know how to cook Chinese food, but as you said, you're willing to learn and to be trained. For now, what is your message for your future employer?
Dear sir, madam, if ever you will choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to do my responsibilities, and I promise also to finish my contract for 2 years or more. Thank you, sir.